lakes on an old dirt path, tractors hum and a prairie bath. Grandpa's had in the early beam, down these country roads and broken dreams. Rusty signs by the county line, kids drinking beer by the 5 and dime. Mama's tears in a coffee stream, down these country roads and broken dreams. Where the sky meets the fields of green, every heartache's a rhyme, it seems. Living life in these worn-out jeans, on these country roads and broken dreams. Sunday church and a prayer or two, faded letters from World War II. Grandma's quilt and a midnight scheme, down these country roads and broken dreams. Barns that creak in a winter's chill, old dog barking up on the hill. Love that's lost in a moonlit gleam, down these country roads and broken dreams. Where the sky meets the fields of green, every heartache's a rhyme, it seems. Living life in these worn-out jeans, on these country roads and broken dreams. Living life in these worn-out jeans, on these country roads and broken dreams. Ponderosa pines I roam, in land I feel is home. Sunsets paint the sky with fire, nature sings in its own choir. Whispers in the evening air, memories and dreams laid bare. Every shadow tells a tale of an ancient winding trail. In the forest, love in arms, I find peace and all its charms. Rivers dance with rocks below, a symphony of endless night to bright. Time stands still and takes a bow in this moment, here and now. Roots run deep in sacred ground. In the stillness I am found. Through the Ponderosa pines I stride, with the earth as my guide. In the woods where spirits soar, I am lost forevermore. Wake up the earth's breath on my face. Wild horses run like they own the place. Silhouettes against the waking sky. I feel alive, I don't know why. Distant thunder echoes through the hills. Heart beats louder than 1,000 thrills. Morning light paints the horizon gold. Chasing dreams, stories yet untold. Wild horses running through my mind. Freedom's the treasure I'm gonna find. At dawn we race against time's tide. Together we take this fateful ride. No chains, no ropes, just open plains. Lost in a frenzy that remains. We're rebels without a place to call. Dawn's embrace breaking every wall. Stardust settles as night takes its lead. Our souls bound by what we believe, unleashed in untamed hearts beat strong. Wild horses at dawn sing their song. Wild horses running through my mind. Freedom's the treasure I'm gonna find. At dawn we race against time's tide. Together we take this fateful ride. shadows dance at night. Stars like diamonds burning bright. The sand whispers secrets in the breeze underneath this canopy. Ancient stories in the ground, silent echoes all around. Moonlight kisses on the dunes, humming in ancient desert tunes. We are wild and free tonight, hearts beating in the firelight. No map, no compass, just our dreams, chasing what the desert means. Mirages flicker in our eyes, promises in nighttime skies. Following the whispers call, risk it all, we stand tall. Footprints fade with morning's grace. Sunrise paints a golden lace. Miles of secrets yet untold, in this land where dreams unfold. We are wild and free tonight, hearts beating in the firelight. No map, no compass, just our dreams, chasing what the desert needs. We are wild and free tonight, hearts beating in the firelight. No map, no compass, just our dreams, chasing what the desert needs. A lone highway cuts through the night, dust devils dancing in the fading light. Headlights leading where the stars collide, chasing dreams with a wild-eyed stride. Broken glasses in the rear view's glare, ghosts of yesterday whispering their prayer. Every mile a story I leave behind, falling forward to the unknown kind. Dust in the sunset paints the skies bold, echoes of legends crafted in the cold. Run till the horizon turns to gold. Freedom in the journey, in the tales untold. Tattered maps from a traveler's heart, crossroads beckon with a brand new start. Speeding past the signpost of regret, wheels burning pathways we'll never forget. Dawn with a crimson blaze, shadows vanish in the morning haze. We are wandering travelers born to roam free in the dust of the sunset where we wanna be. Dust in the sunset paints the skies bold. Echoes of legends crafted in the cold. Run till the horizon turns to gold. Freedom in the journey and the tales untold. Tattered maps from a traveler's heart, crossroads beckon with a brand new start. Speeding past the signpost of regret, wheels burning pathways, then the tales untold. In fields of gold and green I roam, chasing dreams not my own. With every step the grass it sighs, whispering secrets to the skies. Morning sun breaks through the dawn, painting shadows on the lawn. Breezes kiss the flowers bright, dancing softly in the light. Fields of gold and green unfold, stories young and stories old. In this place my heart can sing, where the earth's alive in spring. Butterflies in colors bold flit around like tales untold. In the meadows where we lie, time just seems to slip on by. Underneath the ancient tree, I find the world will wait for me. In the stillness filled with life, all my worries take to flight. Laying back I feel the breeze, bringing freedom with such ease. Golden fields they understand, solace lies in every strand. Barefoot on the forest floor, with whispering tales never told before. Silver glow through the trees, rustic moonlight sets us free. Crickets sing their endless tune underneath the harvest moon. Fireflies in a lover's dance. This is life, not just by chance. Rustic moonlight guides our way through the night and into day. Hidden paths where shadows play, we find peace in disarray. Dreams are woven in the air. In the night we strip our cares. Midnight breeze through open doors. We are wild, the world is yours. Crickets sing their endless tune underneath the harvest moon. Fireflies in a lover's dance. This is life, not just by chance. Rustic moonlight guides our way through the night and into day. Hidden paths where shadows play, we find peace in disarray. Dreams are woven in the air. In the night we strip our cares. Midnight breeze through open doors. We are wild, the world is yours. Stars above, they understand everything as we hold hands. Time is just a fleeting guest. In this moonlit world we rest. Voices echo through the pines, ancient words from ancient times. Mysteries in the twilight, whispers of the rustic night.
Midnight on the trail, the lanterns glow. Stars like diamonds in the sky, they show the wind is whispering secrets old. Stories of love and legends bold. Coyotes howl, a distant song echoes through the night so long. Boots on gravel, a steady beat, guiding steps where dreams and shadows meet. Midnight on the trail, hearts unfold. In the silence, dreams are told. Whispers in the night take flight underneath that pale moonlight. Campfires glow, warm and bright. Faces lit with soft delight. Tales of courage and of woe shared beneath the starlit show. Silent moments, thoughts run free, lost in this vast, wild beauty. Hope and dreams the trail reveals. In the quiet night, the heart feels. Midnight on the trail, hearts unfold. In the silence, dreams are told. Whispers in the night take flight underneath that pale moonlight. Midnight on the trail, hearts unfold. In the silence, dreams are told. Whispers in the night take flight underneath that pale moonlight. Midnight on the trail, the lanterns glow. Stars like diamonds in the sky they show. The wind is whispering secrets old, stories of love and legends bold. Coyotes howl a distant song.
It's getting cold. Stories from the days of old. With every spark, a memory flies underneath these starry skies. Whispers in the crackling night, shadow dances by the light, weaving tales of dreams so wide. By the fireside we can find. Moments melt like candle wax, every breath a heartbeat's lax. In the glow, our secrets hide, lost and found by the fireside. Timeless words and fleeting glances, living through these second chances. In the glow where we collide, hearts entwined by the fireside. Night is young, the hours fade, every ember serenade. Hold this magic right beside, where our hearts ignite the tide. Moments melt like candle wax, every breath a heartbeat's lax. In the glow, our secrets hide, lost and found by the fireside. Old barn creaks with tales of past, shadows dance in moonlight cast. Paint may peel, but love at last. Ghosts of joy from times too fast. Rusty tools hung on the wall, echoes of a child's call. Hail off secrets, summer straw. We were carefree, feeling tall. Old barn, new memories we find, stories written in the wind. Silent whispers, ears are kind, heartfelt moments never thin. Knots in wood like golden scars show the journey near and far. Laughter etched like shooting stars, guiding us where wonders are. Broken windowlets in light, golden grain. Harvest days a sweet refrain. Through the years love will